Hello, friends. This is Amy Stack. I'm the regional tech trainer for the Mid-American region and the Arizona area. I'm here because we had some updates in opportunities that I wanted to highlight to help you kind of navigate your transactions a little bit easier. This will come in super handy for really anybody, but especially if somebody has been on a team in the past or is on a team now. It just helps kind of navigate those different locations to find everything. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that little handshake icon to get to my opportunities. And you can see I'm in my personal account here. If I toggle down, I can see I also have a team account. While I'm in opportunities, this bar has changed a little bit at the top. So we now have pipelines, opportunities, and search. Before, if you were on a team or had access to a team in the past, you would also see the team name. And if you weren't, you would just see your name. So now on the pipeline view, I can obviously see my 3 different colored pipelines here, and that is going to respect the shell we've chosen over here. So you can see my numbers here. We've got 3, 3, 4, 9, 1, 2, 2. If I switch from my personal to my team, you can see now I only see my team numbers. So 1 in listings, and that's it. I'm going to switch back to my personal. Opportunities, when I click there, this is now showing me all opportunities that I have ever created inside this account. If I switch that, you'll see there's a lot less here. Just using that for some tests. So I'll go back to my personal. And the search one is probably one of my favorites because sometimes, especially if you've been on different teams in the past, maybe you don't remember what team you were on when you started the transaction or where it lives, or maybe you accidentally started it in the wrong place. When you come to search, this searches everything. So notice I have my personal one here, but there was one opportunity in my team account, and there it is, and I can still see it even though I'm under my personal account. So if I click on that to open it up, watch what happens here. It takes me to the right account right away, so I don't get error messages about you can't access this because you're not in the right account. So with search, you'll be able to see anything you've ever done in command in one spot, and it will take you to the right location. So this works for teams, this works for individual agents, this works for somebody that maybe was on a coaching team at one point with a pro coach account. So that's just a little bit of a interface update to make your lives a little easier. You may have noticed that toolbar changed at the top, and now you know what it does. I'll see you soon for another hot tip.